You've landed on the moon show, and right now Bitcoin is still in a very strong uptrend here on the 4-hour time frame. So we should expect Bitcoin to keep pumping in the next couple of weeks. Now, that's quite obvious at this point. So, and I already made big analysis on Bitcoin yesterday, but today I want to talk about altcoins and which altcoin I am right now going into with the positions to basically make a nice return over the next few weeks. So I'm gonna show you one altcoin that might surprise you because it had such a huge dump, and that's Ohm. Ohm had a massive, if you zoom out like this, you can see that Ohm had a huge dump, and we still don't really know why this dump happened. There's only speculations, and in my opinion, it's quite likely that this at least rebounds to, even if it rebounds only to back here where it was, only there we could see that's 370%, only for a rebound to not even 30% of where it was. Imagine if it goes back to half of it up here, how much would that be? That's 800%. So I opened up a position here, Ohm Mantra, over on CoinFlare. And of course, if you want to sign up to CoinFlare, link down below. But this is the position I have. It's a 10x leverage position, $68,000. So I'm not putting a huge position. It's a quite small position because this is a risky position. But it's a risk that could get us massively rewarded if we get lucky. And that's what I'm thinking here. This is more like a little bit of a gamble, to be honest. But I think the upside is so big. Upside is, let's say, 800%, and the downside can always only be 100. Of course, we can never lose more than what we put in. So we're risking 100% to make 800%. So that's why this gamble, in my opinion, is maybe not a gamble, but a calculated risk we're taking, because there is no fundamental reason, as from what I understand at least, why this dump happened. It's not like the project is now 90% less valuable. Like the token, yes, maybe it was massively overvalued, and like I said, maybe we only rebound here or here, but that's good enough for me. And very nice thing right now is that actually CoinFlare is right now doubling your first deposit, 100% bonus, up to 5K. So if you deposit $10, you get $10 free. If you deposit $1,000, you get $1,000 free, and so on. So click CoinFlare, my link. It's only available with my link, by the way, and then you can double your first deposit. If you are not allowed on CoinFlare, I recommend WEEX. It's available in the land of the not so free and everywhere else in the world. 0 KYC. You get a massive deposit bonus there as well. L-Bank is right now the most liquid for Bitcoin trading. Massive welcome bonus here as well. $4,000 newcomer prize pool, and airdrops, no KYC, you name it. L-Bank, very good. I just made an L-Bank tutorial, by the way. If you want to check it out, it's over on the Moon Show, this channel. Go check it out right now. So let's go back to the price of Ohm, and yeah, we could lose everything we have, or we can make 800%. And in my opinion, we should risk only small amounts here. So I put, like I said here, it's a $6,000 margin with leverage that's $68,000, right? And then we can talk about my other positions here as well, because I have many CoinFlare positions open. Trump, 160,000, already made 13K there. AVAX, this one is interesting in my opinion, made 15K already. Gala, here we made 14K. Sui, we actually made already 100K. ADA, we made 46K. Link, we made 30K. Dogecoin, 80,000. And Solana, we made $80,000. BNB, 11,000. Ethereum, we made $230,000. And with Bitcoin, we made $230,000 as well. So definitely looking very good here. Let's talk about Ethereum, because Ethereum is a position that I believe in a lot. So it's a $2.7 million position here over on Coinflare. Now, if we zoom out a bit here to the daily, you will be able to tell that there's a bit of resistance right there. Now that could be an issue here. So we need to see Ethereum break through the resistance to confirm a massive bull market here. But I do believe we're gonna break out here now and then probably retest, and then it's just gonna be straight up towards the sky. So Ethereum, in my opinion, could be the coin that makes us the most amount of money in this bull market. I still think we're gonna go and snap up to 4K where we were up here. That's gonna happen very fast. So basically that's another 50% from where we are now. So my positions will make me a lot of money. And remember how much money I lost from there down here. That was horrible. And I'm gonna make back all of that money. I already made back a lot, but I'm gonna make back everything here when we go up to 4K again. And then of course Ethereum will break 4K. And I believe this year Bitcoin will go to 300, maybe even $500,000. And then Ethereum could easily go to 10, 15, $20,000 as well. So yeah, long story short, these positions, I am very happy that they are opened, and I'm gonna keep them open for the whole bull market, which will be the whole year most likely, maybe even into January next year. But if you want to open up any positions, I do recommend Coinflare, and especially now when they double your deposit. But they only do that for the next 24 hours. Oh, it's only 10 hours now. So only for the next 10 hours will they double your deposit. So if you are right now trading on Bybit or anywhere else, go check out Coinflare. Actually, one little thing I want to tell you. If you are trading on FIAT right now, I would highly advise you to stop trading on FIAT and go over to Coinflare or Bybit or any of my links down below. But I would advise you not to use FIAT. I know that I recommended it back in the days, but it's just my personal opinion. I'm not gonna I don't want to spread FUD or anything which is could be inaccurate information. So all I'm saying is stop trading there and go instead over to Coinflare and Bybit, LBank, WEEX, all of these very, very legit exchanges. And like I said, all of them are listed below this video. So go check it out right now. And if you haven't seen my LBank tutorial, you can actually go and check it out right here, right now. And you can also leave a thumbs up on this video. Thank you. I love you all. Bye-bye.